Welcome to the channel, Mac Dr. Bill. By saying that, thanks, and I appreciate every single one of you. Subscribe, like, and comment. I thank you for your support. Check it out, boys. Today we're working on the CRB. We got a package from auxitoled LED light beams. Make sure you give them a follow. If you guys need light for any applications, not Honda Civic, just any car, make sure you give them a follow. And use code MADDAC, capital letter MADDOC, for 15% off on your purchase. Today we're doing a quick installation on the CRB. I want to show you guys the system light we got on in comparison to the auxitoled LED light beams we getting. I'm gonna open the package, of course, show you guys what they look like, how they build in. They got a built-in cooling fan inside, pretty cool. I got this on my Honda EK, the Black Widow, the Turbo EK, so I recommend this product all the time. Compared to what we have, I'll show you guys real quick. All right, this is the light that we have right now. I'm not sure what are they. I know they came in the car when I bought it. They're like light blue or green. However, I don't want to get pulled over for the light, so that's why I got the auxitoled LEDs, because they're white, ultra white. And in comparison to this, I won't get pulled over. I have better visibility. That's what I'm looking for. So that's why I waited until it got a little darker. This is a quick installation. Again, shout out to auxitoled LED light beams. Make sure you go and check them out on the website. Use code MADDAC, capital letters MADDOC, for 15% on your purchase. But we're gonna try on the other lights in a little bit. See the difference. These are the low beams. I'm gonna put them in the high beams real quick. Put you guys in the tripod, blink them a couple times so you guys see the difference, comparison. Then we'll switch to the auxitoled LED light beams and we'll see the difference. So with that being said, let's get it. I don't know how well y'all able to see that on camera, but we're gonna do a comparison once that I switch over the lights, of course. I'm gonna show you how we install them real quick. Simple installation, you know what I'm saying? So I'll turn this off and get to installing before I get any darker. So with that being said, let's get it. All right, so this is the engine bay, of course, of the CRB. We're gonna take a look at the lights, what they look like. These up here, they have built-in fan as well, so we're gonna check them out. All right, getting these out of there. It's kind of tricky to get them out. All right, this is what we had. All right, so apparently these are similar to auxitoled LED light. It got built-in fan. If you guys look at it, that's a built-in fan to keep them cool. These, however, they're a little warm, not too bad, but a little warm for just a couple seconds. I turn them on. So we're gonna open auxitoled LED lights and check out, do a comparison. Hate to do it, but I have to see the difference, even though we already know the outcome. Let's get it. All right, these are, by the way, the I don't know if you guys could see that on camera, in case anybody wanna order this up the website for 2000 CRB. The number is 903 903-H4-HB2. Again, 903-H4-HB2. Make sure you get follow to auxitoled LED lights and use the matte dot code, capital letters MANDDOC. I'm gonna open this right off the back, fresh joint. Waste no time. Excited for this. Auxitoled with the goat. They didn't take longer than 3 days, I would say. I had it within my house. Any other packages say up to a week. So, this is how they come every time. They come with some gloves to handle the light bulb so you don't do no contact. And it comes with the auxitoled pamphlet, instructions on the light. The art warranty, up to 3 years. No other light bulb does this, so pretty fast installation. So, all right, we're gonna put the MJ glove. Pause. This is the light bulb, what it looked like. So I'm gonna show you guys the other one. You guys see the built-in fan compared to the new one. We'll check it out. All right, maybe the reason this get overheated, cause in difference to auxitoled, it's got the built-in fan inside here. These got it in the bottom over here. Those are installed. You can actually hear the built-in fan in it. So far, that's the difference from this side to the other side with the high beams. You guys be my judge. Again, those are high beams. These are the regular other green lights that we had. I don't know if you guys see the difference, but I see a huge difference already in the street. Like we could see this lighting up this far, meaning that light doesn't even do that. So that's what I'm looking for. To be honest, the beam comes out like all the way over here. So basically is what we're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and install the other one real quick so we could take a ride and test them out in the nighttime, take a little drive, see what they look like, and I think it's a better upgrade. Shout out to auxitoled. Let's get it. Again, this is not auxitoled. They got a built-in fan at the bottom. I don't know if that's the cause that makes them overheat a little bit. I am gonna keep them for a rainy day. Auxitoled got a built-in fan within the LED light, not at the bottom. So it's gonna keep them cool at all times. And they are warranty up to 3 years. So make sure you are looking for your auxitoled LED application for your car and use the code. Best lights in the market, no cap. All right, boys, check out how we're looking like. Check out the comparison on how much auxitoled LED light it up the whole way, all the way to here. We see I couldn't do that with my other lights, and that's not the high beams, that's just the regular short lights. Now we're gonna put the high beams real quick. You guys seen? That's not the high beams. Now we got high beams. Check out how much more visibility we have with the high beams. and it's not fully dark yet. Like, it's just getting dark now. You guys be my witness. I think it's a big hell of improvement. Look at how much more they cover on the road. The other lights did not do that at all. That's almost like about 30 feet. That's over 25 feet for sure. So I'm gonna wait up a little bit and we're gonna take a ride to see how much they light up in the road. With that being said, let's get it. Alright, let me see. That's without the high beams. High beams. Short beams. They light up really good. So I'm gonna take a ride and see what they look like in the road. A little more darker. Let's get it. Alright boys, me and my dog Spike, we're about to take a little night ride. So we could see the difference on the visibility wise with the new auxitoled LED light beams installed. Let's get it. Alright boys, hopefully you see the difference. Huge difference. Yeah. I think on the road we see a whole lot more that we didn't see, to the point that I see the holes in the street now. This car is bouncy because it's a stance kind of a build, so it holds a lot better now in the nighttime. Before I was just hitting every other pothole that was on the street. Now with this in the nighttime, I'm seeing better and I'm able to just go around them a little bit smoother, right? But you guys let me know. Again, shout out to auxitoled LED light beams. Make sure you use the code MADDOC, capital letters MADDOC, for 15% off for all applications. So make sure you type in your year of your car, the model, and you guys should be able to get a discount. Like the lights, better than the other ones. We got better lighting, boys. Just what I needed. You guys see the whole view, how much cover these lights have. That's not even the high beams. So that was a simple installation. Gonna take a quick ride back to the crib and finalize today LED installation by auxitoled LED light beams. Let's get it.
Details are critical. That keeps you safe and keeps others on the road safe around. Now, if you're ready to switch to auxitoled, go ahead and head to our website and find the light that's right for your view.
Para víctimas de violencia doméstica, ¿cuál caso es mejor? ¿Bawa, la vista o la vista?
Panamá se ha vuelto el país más adelantado de toda América Latina al ser el primer país que solamente usa corriente.
Please come home. I got beans and bologna.